What's up, guys? In this video I want to show you how to make a flyer in Canva. Welcome to my channel, Untitled Chapter. In this channel I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. I'm here to help you and guide you by sharing tutorials and videos about things I know and my knowledge. Please remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos that I make. All right, so watch this video to the end. I'm going to give you a great freebie. All right, and by the way, I'm currently on a 100-day video challenge. All right, so today this video makes it my 22nd video. It's been taxing and challenging, but I've also found it quite amazing, a great adventure. So well, I hope I get to the 100th video. Well, let's dive in. So the first thing we want to do is that we want to scroll and find the Canva app, and I've opened it currently. So if you look, you'll see you could do lots of amazing stuff for social media, for presentations, videos, and lots more. All right, mobile videos, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, WhatsApp stories, and if you choose to make a Facebook cover, WhatsApp status, Instagram reels, TikTok video, YouTube thumbnails, and intros, you would find that you have lots of amazing options with Canva. Right, currently I'm using the Canva free plan. Okay, so that's what I'm using. You could also make presentations and and videos, right? The video could be a Facebook video or a YouTube video, a YouTube video ad. So lots of amazing stuff that you could do. You could also work on Instagram reels or a LinkedIn video ad, right? So there are lots of amazing options. So we want to scroll up and we want to create a flyer. So I want to see the available templates that are at our disposal. So click on templates and it's opened. So you want to scroll down and just find one that suits your particular needs at that very moment. So I think right, I think this is good for me. So if you see one, you just click on it. That's all you need to do. Right, it's going to load, and of course, as you know, Canva is drag and drop. So you just drag components and you bring it in. Right, so it's perfect for a beginner. You don't really have to hire someone to help you get basic stuff done. Okay, so well, this is a nice one, but I'm going to make some changes to this. Right, make it suit my needs, and just some minor edits just to show you around and show you what you could achieve with this. All right, so we first of all, there are several things we could do in Canva. All right, we could change this template we have decided to work with. We could work on add elements, or we could even add an image from our gallery. We could upload an image, a video, or add text, styles, background, logos, and lots more. Okay, so we're back to the image, the flyer we're working on. So I'm currently on Pixabay, and I want to download a free royalty video image, sorry, of a ring. I want to use that for this flyer that we're working on. Okay, this is Pixabay. You get free high definition images free of copyright. So I think this is nice. I'm going to download this for the flyer. So one more thing you should note is that this image is a JPEG image. All right, the image format is JPEG. So what this means is that it has a background, right? But we don't want it with a background. So we're going to first of all download it, and then I'm going to show you how you could remove the background using a very simple website, remove.bg. All right, so remove.bg. We just simply upload. um so click on the upload image, and then we upload the image that we want to remove its background. And well, it's quite simple and fast, and it gets the job done. So just gonna click on that ring and click on upload image. It's removed it super fast. You download it, this time without a background, so it's now a PNG image format. All right, so let's head back to Canva. Now there are several things we could do to this image. You could replace it. So if you look at the base of this screen, you could replace it, you could delete it, you could add filters, adjust it, lights and all. You could crop it, flip it, animate it, and do so much more. All right, so we want to click on replace, so that we will choose the image of the ring we just downloaded without a background. Text that says gone. Is that, I don't know, sounds shiny. So change this to premium rings. Yeah, so premium rings should do. So I've changed this. Then I want to change this font. So you click on font and just choose one that suits you. The Amsterdam 3, let me see. No, I don't like this. I don't like this. Okay, I think this is better. Just a simple design. So all right, so that's good. Move this around a little bit more. And all right, so we could also change the color of this background. Right, currently it's this dark red, or we could change it. All right, you could get a color from the photos that we have there. Find one that we think suits this. Okay. All right, now we want to add some text to this flyer. All right, so just click on subheading, and we drag it down, and then we edit it to what we want. So I'm going to use contact us, and then add an arbitrary phone number there. So this font size is quite big, and now I want to scale it down. So you just click on font size and you drag it down to whatever you like. Okay, I think this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. I think everything else is good so far. I want to add another text, or just an element. Just going to search for a phone, and an element of a phone. A vector image or something that represents a phone. All right, so this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm going to go for this. All right, so scale it down and drag it. Still scale it down again, drag it. So I want to add one more element, of an email to this. So we're gonna get this and drag it down, and place it here. I think that's good enough. All right. One important thing you should notice is that most of these templates and elements and icons, you could easily change their colors. Okay, also change this from black to white, just to keep things uniform and balanced. Okay, I think that's good enough for me. So we drag this down and center it. Okay, all right, so we need to add a subheading just beside the elements of the email, you know. So we edit it and change this to email. So we square this and okay, just make some little more adjustments to what we have here. So one thing you should notice that Canva automatically saves your designs. All right, so there's no need to save them so long as you've got internet connection and you're connected. It will automatically keep saving your designs work on you till you're done. Okay, so you're not going to lose your designs in any way. So when we're done, we click on the download. When we're done, we click on the download icon above, you know, and when we click on that, that's how we're going to save this flyer to our device, and then we can share it. So I've clicked on it, it's saving and it's preparing my design. Okay, awesome. So it's been downloaded. All right, and that's simply how you create a flyer on your phone using Canva. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.